Well, as I'm sure it is with most of you, there are days when I do more than other days. And this is one of those days where I'm not doing much. I'm actually in my house. All the same, this train has 2 heritage units in it, and I'm still gonna catch it. Watch this. Yeah, like a boss. Got the wonderful Rochelle webcam up, which they did fix finally. Got my ATCS monitor out, and it shows this train's occupied. There is got control of the diamond. So now this just becomes a waiting game. Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. Here it comes. No, it froze. There we go. That's how I do it. Yeah, he's happy. It's like, yeah. I feel you, bro. I feel you. It updates every second. It froze right there, and I was a little worried. I thought I'd have to refresh, and that's not fun when your Google Chrome page is as big as the webcam itself, because you have to try and find it. Very a little choppy one here. Looks like it's almost moving backwards. At least I hope it's moving forward, which it is, according to the display. If you pick that dark tank car there and the light one in between, you can see it's moving about a car a second. There's no audio with this webcam, which is kind of a bummer, but we should have 1073 here in a minute. As soon as this block, you can't see it. That block there goes empty, you should come into view. I said lazy man's railfanning. It's a method I use quite often. And then the webcam went down, and I left and heard a post that it was back, and people didn't believe me, and here's your proof, guys. The webcam is back. It is indeed 2:51 in the afternoon, June 21st. Going to be at camp for 4 weeks. Leaving, oh, here it is, 1073. Yeah, and another froze. Come on. There it is. Very nice. And then I go rant on Facebook. Alrighty, YouTubers, this is it. In addition to 1072 and 1073, which you've just seen, witnessed, I do have screenshots. We also have this unit, which is the Wabash unit, and the Monongahela unit, which are coming back. Both these photos, by the way, belong to Tim Parrott, a good buddy of mine. I did get permission to use these and show them, so don't flip out. This picture here also has 1074 behind it, and this one, just another Norfolk Southern train. This is at Stewart. This is Penn Central at Flag, 8100 at Rochelle, Illinois Terminal at Oregon. This one I saw from 2 miles away in the dark, and this one was the first one I also saw at the dark, 1072. And it looks like this is cleared, so as soon as this approaches, this is the Monongahela unit, which is leading, and the Wabash unit over here is going to take the hole for that when it gets near. It's currently headed switched into the siding at Oregon, and yeah, Alrighty guys, right here what you're gonna see me do real quick. Oh hello, it's getting close. First we're gonna watch this go by, which is she's creeping in. And then I'm going to post it on heritageunits.com, and I'm also going to put in the Wabash unit as well. 2 posts. Normally whenever I'm out rail fanning, I don't have my laptop, so I can't do this right away. But we can see, looks like a little, oh that's a car. Crap, freaked me out. Whew, breathe in the bag, okay. Just moving forward, you see she knocked down the block over here. But I do believe it's getting brighter over here. Yes, yes, yes indeed. Okay, alrighty. Here we go. This is cool. Alrighty guys. 8025, Norfolk Southern 8025 coming into view. You can see the alternating ditch lights in the on the rails. She blew the horn. There it is, Monongahela. That's awesome. Oil train. Is that a? Was that? Huh? Is that a Penn Central oil car? Did that logo looked like Penn Central? I'm sure it wasn't. Everyone loses their minds. Alright.
Hello?
That's my friend. You guys might remember him from the Bachman bashing video as Jesus Freak Libby. He's upgraded to a better name of General Tech 101. And as this eastbound Union Pacific crosses the diamond, we have down her 8025 is cleared the east switch at Oregon, giving the train with 1070 clear for go. And let's see what's on this Union Pacific. Looks like a stack train. That is indeed a stack train. All right. I think he needs help.
Did you just figure that out?
I've known this for a while. Anyway, I shall be back as soon as it gets closer. Excuse me. Okay, so Union Pacific westbound just cleared the diamond. You can see it. Sitting right here. This train with 1070 on it has the diamond. I'm just waiting for it to come around the corner. If you could see the dirty looks I'm giving him right now. Jeez. Shut up, freshman.
I am not a freshman, child.
You're acting like one.
Touche.
Yeah. Let that... I'm done. I'd walk out right now, but there's a heritage unit right there.
Oh my goodness, that was a pitiful spelling of Saturday.
Oh, this isn't updating, that's why. Crapolas. Okay, winging it. Winging it. It's in the block, but it's not updating anymore. Doom. Why didn't I see that?
Penis.
That's a problem. Because now this is... Okay, it's clearing the diamond. This is the only flawed thing with this type of rail fanning. Is it updates, it freezes up, and now I can't see it. It's there, across the diamond, and I can't see it. Now, the web page is not responding.
Trevor, what did you do?
And it's gone. Don't play with my lighter. I'm calling the cops on you.
Why do you have a lighter?
Because I'm a camp counselor.
No.
Well, that sucks.
Since when has Chrome done that? Like, I realized it. Like,
I hate it.
Web page is not
I wish
available.
it was working right now.
Like, I've never seen that before.
Well, there it goes. It's right there. But I can't say I've seen it now because I didn't actually
Now I can't
see
say
it.
I've seen it either.
No, you just suck.
Penis. Oh wait, no what?
What? Your timing was terrible.
I was trying to. Cause you. Never mind. I wasn't listening to the whole sentence when I did that.
Rage.